Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your iPhone before you update Mobile Legends on iOS. Check that your device runs iOS 15 or later before updating the app. Free up at least 2.0 GB of storage space and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Plug your phone in or ensure a battery level above 50% to avoid interruptions. Sign into your Apple ID and enable automatic app updates if desired. Note your Apple ID password and the device model for troubleshooting if needed later. Now download the Mobile Legends update from the App Store on your iPhone. Open the App Store, tap Updates, and locate Mobile Legends to update the app. Tap the Update button and enter your Apple ID password if prompted by iOS. View the update size, for example 1.8 GB, before starting the download to confirm available space. Use Wi-Fi for large files and avoid cellular unless you have a sufficient data allowance. Monitor the progress bar and wait until the installation completes fully before opening the game. After installation, verify the update by relaunching the Mobile Legends app on your iPhone. Relaunch the game and allow any in-game resource downloads to finish before playing ranked matches. If you see login or network errors, close the app and try again. If issues persist, delete and reinstall the app while keeping your account login details ready to restore progress. Contact Mobile Legends support with your device model and iOS version if reinstall does not fix persistent errors. Keep screenshots and error messages to speed up the support process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.